Do you want to be able to access your files offline? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to access certain files offline. Hello and welcome back to Google Tutorials, where we give you the best tips and tricks to grow your confidence online. If you're new here, please consider subscribing so that you're the first to get notified every time we launch a brand new video. If you haven't watched the previous video in which I cover how to access all of your files offline, there'll be a link in the description box below as well as in the iCard in the top right of your screen. This feature, which I'm going to show you today, is going to work for both Google Slides as well as Google Docs. This is perfect for if you're doing travelling and working or nowhere near a Wi-Fi connection. To do this, all you need to do is go to the Files menu at the top left of your Google Chrome tab, and then go down until you see Make Available Offline. What this will do is make this file available offline, meaning that if you disconnected from a Wi-Fi signal or you're travelling, you can continue to make changes to this document, and as soon as you reach a Wi-Fi signal again, it will automatically back up. And when you're ready, just click on the option. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe, as we've got a ton more content just like this.